Hello, my name is Emil. You're watching MyVar, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at some of the updates and changes to the parser and what lessons I've learned and what I would change. So, we have the some more advanced syntax going here, and here's the AST. And if we look, we have a print, right, and it's marked to fixed turn procedure node. For some, it has a return time of I32, X, Y, and Z, and then ret X and addition of Y. And then double is the same story, and then we have the loop syntax down here with a comparison node, and yeah, so that's kind of how this changed. And if statements work, there's a lot more on the AST side. If you run this, it'll run, but yeah, there's a lot more on the AST side. But there's an interesting problem here, and that is if I uncomment this, you'll note if we do x plus 10 minus foo, for example, and then that should compile, and then I do let's see, so 10 times x, right? So the way this gets interpreted, once it loads, there we go, is that we have a subtraction of foo, but then the multiplication we're doing 10 times x. But what if I wanted to be like this, right? Whereas it's like this, right? And this won't work. And fixing it is not very hard. So it doesn't know how to deal with these brackets. And the way to fix this, as you can see right here, the subtraction detected properly, as well as the addition. So this part parsed out properly, but the times x did not. And in some cases, the fix is as simple as just adding a rule up here that checks for an open and close bracket with an expression in between, and that will work. But the problem is, and the same problem stands just to demonstrate. If we do foo, invoke it with x, for example, it will, lose its mind. And the reason is that these rules have the rules where we parse these things like subtraction and division and multiplication is in the first two passes, and then we only do the invoke statements later on. And so the solution to this would be to allow you to rather name the passes and then have repeat a pass. I guess a simple fix, just off the top of my head now, would be to just run the parser twice, which I guess I could do that. It never really occurred to me. So how about we try this again? Oh, that's the rule pass, yeah. So if I was to copy this code, just kind of out of curiosity, let's see what happens. Z should be fine, and then 2. I wonder if that might have a different result. Just out of pure curiosity, let's see. No, that didn't work. What did it do? Nothing. Well, it's not that unexpected, I guess, unless I actually have a syntax error. I don't know. Let's see if I say 5 plus 4. Does that work if you do it twice? No. Why not? Oh, that's because I don't have a rule to deal with the open and close. That makes a lot of sense. Fair enough. So yeah, that's kind of interesting how that works. One thing you could probably do is just if we experiment here and do that, and then value will be an expression node, but instead of doing that, we'll have like an open round bracket and a close round bracket. Let's see what that does. Maybe that will work. And because we're running the parser twice, there is a chance that that might fix it. It does not. Okay, well, experimenting on the camera is not necessarily the best idea. But yeah, you guys see what I'm getting at. So I think either I'm going to move on to semantics or I'm going to fix that. But seeing as this is very experimenting type of environment, I might just move on. But yeah, we'll see. Until next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.